Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply an e-visa, or you can say e-visa for tourism business to Brazil. Before I proceed further, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, many countries in this world are moving towards e-visas, right? Uh, so it's good that Brazil has started implementing this process, but there is a twist. The twist is like citizens traveling with passport. This is first of all applicable for Australia, Canada, and United Nations citizens. United States, I apologize. So those who will be from these countries, citizens of these countries who will be visiting Brazil for tourism and business, will be subjected to visa requirements. Okay, starting April 10th, so next month. They can acquire e-visa through this portal. It's very easy to apply. That's what we are going to go through. But before I proceed further, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. All right. So they have given requirements also what you need. You will need to have a valid passport. Okay, two visa pages free. Application forms you will fill up online. Visa style photo, e-visa fee payment. Fee is also given. Okay. For those who are younger than 18 years, there are some additional requirements also. Okay, like birth certificate and copy and other things. All right, so we'll say this. So they have given the link where you have to apply. So I click on that. Wow. All right. Now how to apply? If you go here, three simple steps: provide application details, upload the document, pay the fee, download the e-visa. Wow, perfect. Now let's go back and start applying. The sample video, of course, I won't be paying for it, and it's going to be started from 10th April. So what you can do is like you can sign up. All right. And if you have already signed up, you can click on login. So I'm going to provide this information and then I'm going to proceed from there. You an OTP on the email ID that you provide. You do that OTP and then you come here. So it's asking like current nationality. Okay. Wow. Only three, because as of now, three countries are eligible. If that eligibility is extended, it will be for more. Perfect. Why this question has been typed twice? I don't know. Visitor visa. Okay. Purpose of travel. Business, tourism. I select tourism. Are you applying for self or others? I select self. Date of birth. So do it as per your case, guys. This is sample. Just sample. Below 18, I select no. How are you entering Brazil? Do you hold a Brazilian passport? No. Save and continue. Okay, what are the things you need? Passport page, photograph, additional documents, public deed, sponsorship affidavit, whichever is applicable in your case. Vaccination card. Some of them are mandatory. These two are on top mandatory. And you can click on this sample file and information also. Okay, you have this. Okay. Now let me see if I can go through other pages. No. Okay, I'll try to bypass this and then I'll. So guys, because of privacy, I won't be able to show you more on this here. But here you upload the documents. Next, you your passport detail, when you are going entry out, address detail, where you're gonna stay in Brazil, and phone number, contact details, emergency contact, these things. Then additional details, and at the end you are going to do review and payment. And then once it is granted, you get an email, you are good. It will have further instructions to how to travel. That is how it works, guys, and I hope you're going to like this video. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.